To kick off IPS Finances Explained, we're starting from the top. How much funding does IPS receive, and where does it come from? I'm Weston Young, Chief Financial Officer at Indianapolis Public Schools. Today, I'm going to break down every dollar from last school year. Our budget is funded primarily by three sources: federal, state, and local property taxes, and each one supports different parts of our system. We'll start with federal funding. IPS receives about 15% of our budget from the federal government. Federal dollars, generated through federal income taxes, are targeted towards specialized programs, including support for students in poverty, special education services, and school meal programs. Importantly, this funding can shift as federal priorities change. Next, state funding. The state provides roughly 50% of our total budget. Funded through state income and sales taxes, these dollars primarily support classroom instruction as well as programs like special education and career and technical education. These amounts are tied to enrollment. State funding, also known as total tuition support, has two parts: foundation funding, which provides a base amount for every student, and complexity funding, which provides additional support based on student needs. Over the past decade, the state has prioritized funding all students equally, no matter the school district or family income, rather than based on need. This is a shift that disproportionately affects IPS, since we serve more students living in poverty, students with special education needs, and English language learners. Third, local property taxes. This generates about 35% of our budget. Local dollars support essential operations like facility maintenance, transportation, and paying off debt for school buildings. In the past, these funds stayed entirely within IPS. But new state policies now require IPS to share more of its budget with both district and charter schools within the IPS boundary, meaning local funding is being stretched further than ever before. In addition, IPS receives a small percentage of funding through interest, reimbursement grants, and philanthropy. But these dollars cannot make up for the hard declines we continue to experience across the board in all three of our key funding areas.